Okay, guys, number 3. I will say that the professor's solution for number 3 is about as long as number 1 and 2 combined. So it's a lot of work for you guys, but not that much work for me because it's surprisingly straightforward. There's a lot of little calculations. So you don't actually need to use any of the new principles, I don't think, that you've covered so far. I will just cover this very briefly. Okay, so you want to, like problem 6 from the last homework set, you want to keep in mind both axial and bending forces. You want to keep in mind the deflections due to axial loads and to moment loads. Okay. But yes, if we want to find, let's start by finding delta AX, the horizontal displacement in the x direction. I'm going to apply, well, first let's step back. You're going to draw your charts again. Find the moment in each of these arms due to your original loads. Then find your axial forces due to the original loads. This is like, this is your bending, this is your axial. So from here, before you had tables, here you're going to have integrals. And yeah, just apply a unit load at 1. Or sorry, a unit load of 1 at point A. A, B, C, D. This is roller. A, B, C, D. Yeah, and then find your little m of x. Find your forces again. This is due to virtual load. And then here's the fun part, your delta AX is going to be the sum of your m of x, sum of the integral of your m of x times m of x over EI plus the sum of your a of x times a of x. Here, I believe before we were using f of x and f of x, but I'm just using a of x here. A to denote axial force. And yeah, this will become a large equation. You're gonna get 3 integrals for here because but the summation here means every member. So you need to do A to B m of x over EI plus B to C plus C to D plus all the axial forces. So 3 axial terms. And it's a lot of work, but I think this is probably more complicated than anything you'll have on the exam. Well, maybe. I think for this, so I think for quiz 1, if we go back to quintessential, all those other stuff, quiz 1 was Earth, I think. I think you have a strong foundation. I was testing your foundations. And then I don't know if quiz 2 is going to be similar or not. It could be Earth, again. It could be testing your foundations, in which case you'd have a lot of conceptual questions. But you haven't had that many conceptual questions for the homeworks since the exam, so I'm not really sure how that's going to go. But, yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens. Just, let us know if you have any questions. I'll check your solutions. I'll see if you get it right or not. It does come out to be a lot of math. And I am very happy that I don't have to do that math today. But yes. Anyway, sorry, the videos are probably not as thorough as usual, but I have a midterm tomorrow that I need to study for, and I want to make sure you guys get these before the weekend. Because I know that if I wait till the weekend, you're not going to see these until like Sunday or so. But yes, email me if you have any questions. I'll try to get back to you. Today is going to be kind of a bad day. But I should get back to you to any emails you send after tomorrow at 3:30. But yeah, let us know if you have any questions.